Hi guys, so today we are going to start with multiple cursors. So the first way we can do this in Visual Studio Code is with the help of Alt plus click. This way. So we will press Alt and then we'll click where we want to have a multiple cursors. See, now we have it at 4 places. So we can edit them all at once. Another way in which, like suppose if I have to find the same word like items, so I'll select this and then I'll press Ctrl plus D. It will select the other items as well. See, Ctrl D, and I can change them all at once. Another way that we can do this without using a mouse is with the help of Ctrl, Alt and down arrow key. So if I have to select in the upward manner, it would be Ctrl, Alt and up arrow key. Thank you for watching.